Okay guys, all you California rim sympathizers, there's a perfect example. Look at the back drive axle on the left side, rear drivers. Look at that son of a bitch wobbling back and forth. Both of them. I see this all the time going down the freeway. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that thing. It's just going. Wobble, 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 wobble. That son of a bitch is going to come off of there. That is surely not good for your wheel bearings. Look at now, it's vibrating the whole axle. He probably doesn't even know it. That's all right. Not trying to say this guy's a bad guy, but son of a bitch, you could see that in the mirror if you looked. I see this all the time on these port trailers, guys. Constantly. Them dividing rims, you will never get them on there straight. I mean, you get them on there straighter than that, but damn. It's just hard to believe. Why are we still using these wheels? There's a reason that we use 10-hole wheels these days, whether it be hub pilot or lug centric. To be able to feel that in the cab. There's no way. It's damn near shaking the whole truck. Look at that, now you can really see it. That son of a bitch is gonna come loose, I'm telling you. Look at that, now you can really see it.